Hello guys, today I am unboxing a TTL flash for camera. The delivery service is from Amazon. Let's see the service. It is kind of stuck, but I will try to open. Some protection. Nicely done. So this is from Altura Photos. The AP-305N flash speed light. So let's open it. Oh, we do not need to razor it. Nice cover. It's a bag, cover bag. Well, pro there. So here it is. So now we are going to check it whether it work or not. So I'm going to check it. I have batteries. These are Panasonic batteries, rechargeable, in Loop Pro. The power has come on. Okay, as you can see, it is working. Or maybe not. Let's see. We will check it out later. I'm pausing the video recording. Okay, the moment of truth. The battery was low, so I charged them a bit. Here it go. Yeah, it's working. Nice speed. Other settings, let's check it out. Okay. So it is working. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe. Goodbye.